Successful people often share a set of powerful habits that help them achieve their goals. First, they prioritize planning, setting clear objectives for each day. Raising children in the Jewish tradition centers on instilling values like kindness, respect, and a strong sense of community. Parents and
You just watched a video that I created 100% with VideoGen AI. And guess what? It took me less than 1 minute to make. Pretty insane, right? Super professional, super fast. And here's the best part. Today I'm going to show you step by step how you can create a complete video from just one idea and a single click. No complex editing, no wasted hours. This method can literally save you tons of time. And yes, it can even help you make extra income from the videos you create. I'm Next Gen David AI, and on this channel, I share the smartest AI tips to keep you ahead of the curve. Before we dive in, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell so you never miss the latest AI tricks and trends. All right, let's jump in. First, click the link I left in the description. That'll take you straight to the VideoGen dashboard. The interface is super simple. On the left side, you'll see a menu. Click New Video to get started. Next, you'll choose the type of media for your video. Here are your options. Standard stock footage, pre-made clips you can drop right in. Free stock videos, decent but a little limited. Generative images visuals, my personal favorite. Just type a short description, and AI will create unique visuals for you. Heads up, you'll need a pro account to use this option. If you want even higher quality, you can go with iStock, paid. For today's demo, I'm going with generative images so you can see the AI power in action. Now let's set the clip speed. If you want something snappy and engaging, go with fast. If you're making a slower documentary-style video, pick medium or slow. Then choose your aspect ratio. For YouTube, always use 16:9 landscape. For Shorts or TikTok, switch it to 9:16 vertical. I'll stick with landscape for now. Once that's set, click Continue. Now comes the fun part. You'll see a box asking, what is your video about? Just type your idea or topic. For example, Asian fairy tales, or what is the ultimate goal of life? Keep it short and clear. Next, choose your language, leave it on US English, and pick the video length. If you want more detail, go with very long, so AI gives you a thorough outline. Then click the red arrow button and let VideoGen do its thing. Once the outline is ready, let's add the voiceover. Click AI Voice, set it to US English, and choose a voice you like. Pick one that really matches your audience and the message you want to share. Pro tip, click Apply to all sections so the same voice is used throughout your video. That way you don't have to set it up for each part. Now, hit Generate Video. The AI will automatically combine your visuals, script, and voice into a polished video. Processing time depends on the length, but usually, it's pretty quick. While you wait, you can head into the theme section. Upload your channel logo, place it in a corner, and make sure it doesn't block important visuals. You can also adjust the title style, fonts, and colors so everything matches your brand. Next up, music and effects. Pick a background track that fits the mood of your video. Lower the volume so it sits nicely under the voiceover. Add a few smooth transitions like fade in, fade out, or zoom. These small touches make your video look way more professional. Before exporting, preview the entire video. If a scene doesn't look right, hit Replace to swap it out, or click Regenerate to let the AI try again. You can also tweak music, clips, or subtitle styles here. When everything looks good, click Share Export at the top right. Choose 1080p for social media or 4K if you want ultra-crisp quality. Export it, then click Download and save the file with a clear name. For example, name it Tutorial Video so you can find it later. And just like that, your video is ready to upload to YouTube, TikTok, or anywhere else. All done. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment saying, AI for the win. So I know you want more step-by-step tutorials like this. See you in the next video.